Ciao everyone, welcome back. Super excited today. We are going to unbox the brand new KitchenAid 9 cups food processor. So this brand new machine is not your classic food processor. You can also knead, which is I'm super excited about it. You can whisk, whip with a series of brand new attachments. Cannot wait to try them on. Thank you so much to KitchenAid for this amazing gift. Now let's get into it. As every KitchenAid appliance comes in different colors, I went for the almond cream, and the cup for the food processor is 9 cups, as I said, 2.1 liters, and it comes with different attachments. So you have 5 different attachments. You have a multi-purpose blade, a slice, shredding, whisk, dough. This one is what I'm looking for to try straight away, and also a super useful lid for the food processor bowl, so you can pop it in your fridge. Let's open it up. Super excited, super compact. So this is the base. Love the color. So I can see already it's got different speeds. So 1, 2, obviously your pulse, and here we have our attachments. So this is the lid that I was talking about before for the cup. There it is. So this is the lid. Got a nice rubber seal, be nice and tight. Okay, so let's explore it. The lid with a plastic hole, so you can fit through here. Here, and this one is really useful when you use the blade for slicing or grating, and this little guy is perfect for pouring olive oil. So this is your blade. This one on the top part here you can shred, and here has a blade to slice, the whisk accessory, and this one here is the dough blade, which I think will get pretty good use from me. Cannot wait to try it. And here you have your blade. Not so classic, because as you can see it's double, so it's got 4 blades instead of the normal food processor. They usually have only 2. So this one is perfect for, you want to make it, for example, ragu, you want to mince the meat, this one will be perfect for it. The lid for the bowl is got this little hinge, which is fantastic, super steady. You've got a little clamp as well. The bowl goes straight in, so you don't have to twist it to lock in like many other food processors. Thank you so much again, KitchenAid Australia, and stay tuned for some recipe. For everyone who watched the video, you can find a discount code right in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Ciao, ciao.